A brief mineralogical guide. Dioptase was discovered at the end of the 18th century in Kazakhstan. It was confused to be emerald by Russian mineralogists. However, famous French mineralogist Hauy determined it was a new mineral and named it Dioptase in 1797. Its name refers to the visibility of its internal cleavage planes. Dioptase contains copper, silicon, oxygen and water ligands in its chemical formula. Due to its rings crystal-like structure, it is classified as a cyclosilicate mineral. The copper complex ion and the bonded elements give Dioptase its unique color. Dioptase has a perfect cleavage, is part of the cyclosilicates mineral group, has a Mohs hardness of 5, a specific gravity ranging from 3.28 to 3.35, an irregular to conchoidal fracture and a trigonal crystalline system. Dioptase can be found in many places, however collectionists tend to say that the best crystalline quality material comes from Tsuneb, in the country of Namibia. If you would like to know more about this or any other mineral, be sure to subscribe and check out Mindat, where you will be able to find all the information you need on any mineral that exists.